Thank you, everyone. You know, I'm gonna read our thankful book at our big dinner. Ooh, we better go find some more Blue's Clues. See ya.
Bye, Pumpkin Steve.
Bye. Wow. Autumn just smells so good, don't you think? Ooh, we better go find some more Blue's Clues because I'll tell you, I'm getting really hungry.
You sure you don't want anything, Steve?
No, I'm okay, really.
Oh, I'm getting hungry. We'd better find some more Blue's Clues before our big dinner.
The pumpkin.
Oh, yeah. I am so hungry, I could eat a whole pumpkin. Ooh.